What is up, everyone? I'm excited, man. We're heading out to the expo grounds today. Who is we? Jason and Dave. Hey, Dave. Hola! So we're heading out to go mark out the vendor area. Vendor sales are coming online soon, and we're moving the vendor area, a bigger area, because we've got a lot more vendors that are very interested this year. So we're going to go mark it out, take some aerial shots with the drone, and make that happen. Also, too, we're probably going to start hitting promotion soon, so you're going to see a lot of stuff about the expo coming up. Man, am I excited. This is going to be a great year. We've got some great presenters coming. We, in fact, actually, I think have some of the best presenters that I could ever ask for. So you got to be there. You got to be there. It's going to be a blast. This is going to be one of the best events. Okay.
Keep going.
Oh, hey, there you are. Anyways, keep an eye on my YouTube channel as well, because I am working on probably 5 different videos right now. I just got back from the California desert, and the California desert was fun as heck. The Jeep did really well, and I have to say it is a different type of wheeling that I've ever done. So why did I go to the California desert? King of the Hammers, baby, King of the Hammers. Went to the event, met quite a few cool people down there, and one of the best things that I think that came out of it was my appreciation of how much work goes into the race teams and the buggies at this event. Wow, my hat's off to a lot of you guys. That's pretty cool. There's my hat.
And it is most definitely off.
So, anyways, a small update. Thanks for tuning in. A lot of excitement coming down. Hope you guys can join us for it. Take it easy, man. Like I said, I've got lots of content that's about to come out soon. This particular video was all about planning for the expo. They've been putting a lot of background work on it, but I did go to Hammers. Here's a little sneak peek of some of the stuff that I experienced while I was down at King of the Hammers. Well, I hope you enjoyed that preview of my little trip down to King of the Hammers. It was an amazing trip. But I've got lots of other videos in the works now too. I've got lots of product reviews. I've got actually some heated clothing that I want to test out winter camping. That's going to be pretty neat. I've got some awning reviews coming down the tubes, as well as a rooftop tent review. Anyways, I've got lots planned. But getting back to why we were heading out to the expo site, we're mapping and basically taking some overhead shots of some new vendor areas for the expo. And we're super excited, and we just can't wait to get this whole thing going again. I'm going to leave you with some aerial shots of the expo. And man, there was a lot of snow out there, but it was a lot of fun. Make sure you like and subscribe, guys. You don't want to miss the next video.